This is part 2 of solving word problems using algebra. This video is meant for checking purposes. Question 3. So it says that if a number is tripled, it gives the same result as when 28 is added to it. Find the number. Okay, so since we have to find the number, we can let x be the number. And tripled means you need to multiply it by 3. Okay, so let's form step 1. We have to let people know what is 1x. So let x be the number. Second step, let's form the equation. So it says that when a number is tripled, it gives the same result, meaning that they are equivalent to when 28 is added to it. So x plus 28. So to solve this equation, you subtract 1x on both sides. So you're left with 2x is equivalent to 28. And to find 1x, you divide by 2 on both sides. So you get 14. Now you have to write a statement because in this question, they are not asking for x. They're asking what is the number. So different people would have used different alphabets. So we are not interested to know what is x, but we have to answer it with a statement that says the number is 14. Question 4. So it reads that a man is 6 times as old as his son. 20 years later, the man will be twice as old as his son. Okay, so our first step is we need to let x be something. We usually let x be 1 unit of something. So we can let x be the son's age, and therefore the man will be 6x. Okay, so let x be son's age. So that means the father will be 6x. So what happens 20 years later? So 20 years later, the son's age would be x plus 20, and the father's age would be 6x plus 20. What's so special about 20 years later? So the question says that the man will be twice as old as his son. So this means that 6x plus 20 is equivalent to twice the age of the son. So it's x plus 20. Okay, so this will be our equation. The father's age is equivalent to twice that of the son's age. So let's solve. So we have to expand this. You get 2x plus 40. We can subtract 2x on both sides. And then after that, we can subtract 20 on both sides. Then finally, we divide by 4 on both sides. We will get 1x is equivalent to 5. So this means that when the son was 5 years old, the man is 30 years old. So answer the question. We need to find the age of the man when the son was born. So the father's age when the son was born is, so his age will be 30 years old. You have to subtract 5 years old. So the father was 25 years old when the son was born. Question 6. This question is talking about travel agency. Okay, so you have to compare the prices for the two companies, Maya Express and Great Holidays. For Maya Express, it charges $15 per person. So that means if one person goes, it charges $15. If 2 people go, it will be 2 times 15. If 3 people go, it will be 3 times 15. So on and so forth. For Great Holidays, it charges a fixed amount of $84 and an extra of $12 per person. So what does this mean? It means that if one person goes, Great Holidays would charge $84 plus an extra of $12. If 2 people go, it will be 84 plus 2 sets of $12. If 3 people go, it will still be 84 plus 3 sets of $12, so on and so forth. Okay? So now they say that the total amount charged by each company is the same. Find the number of people. So in this case, we can let X be the number of people going on this holiday. For Maya Express, it would charge $15 per person, and this is equivalent to the price that is charged by Great Holidays, which is $84 plus $12 per person. So our next step, we have to solve this equation. We can subtract 12x on both sides. Then after that, we can divide by 3 on both sides. So 84 divided by 3, this will give us 28. So we have to end off this question with a statement. Find the number of people going. So 28 people are going on the holiday. Question 7. In this question, it says that in a school, the number of boys who play soccer is 3 times as many boys who play badminton. Alright, so in this case, we can let X be 1 unit of something. So it will be number of people who play badminton. So people who play soccer will be 3 times X. Right, this is the initial. So let's write a statement. Let X be the number of boys who plays badminton. So that means those who play soccer, it will be 3x. So this is the initial quantity. Next sentence, it says that if 12 boys who play soccer, now they play badminton instead. So what happens now? When this happens, after the switch over, the number of boys who play each of these sports would be the same. Okay? After the switch over, 12 boys who play soccer, now they go over to play badminton. So that means 3x, you have to subtract 12. So this is the number of people left playing soccer. And with the new addition of 12 people in badminton, so it'll be x plus 12, they say that the number of boys that plays each sport will be the same. So they will be equivalent like this. So you have formed the equation. We can solve this. We can subtract 1x on both sides. And then you can plus 12 on both sides. So you will form a 0 pair with negative 12. So 12 plus 12 here, you will get 24. Finally, you divide by 2 on both sides. You will get 12 again. Okay. So let's answer the question. Find the number of boys who played badminton. So 12 boys played badminton.